Hey fragrance buddies! Spring cleaning may be over, but there's always time to help freshen up your home. Today we're going to be making a room spray that helps mask those stubborn odors that tend to linger in your furniture with one of my favorite fragrances, fresh linen. So to get started, we're going to add our Germaben 2 preservative to our pre-measured water and then make sure we mix them together thoroughly. So our preservative is just to make sure that we don't have any nasty bacteria growing in our room spray, and we're just going to make sure that it's mixed thoroughly so that way it stays fresh and clean. Okay, so now we can go ahead and set this aside. Okay, so in our measuring cup, I've already got our PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, and to that I'm going to add our Polysorbate 80, so that way our fragrance oil is able to fully emulsify within our water mixture, so that way everything comes out nicely. Okay, so we've got both of our emulsifiers in our container, and so now we're going to go ahead and add our fresh linen fragrance to the container. Now that both of our emulsifiers and our fragrance are in here, we're going to go ahead and mix them thoroughly, and it'll take probably about a minute. Just make sure that they're thoroughly combined. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add our fragrance and emulsifier to our water container. Okay, and now I'm going to grab a whisk, that way we can break up some of the chunks in our mixture. Now this may take a little bit, but if you're patient and just make sure that you keep stirring until there aren't any chunks in it, it'll eventually become a clear liquid again. Okay, so now that everything is thoroughly combined and we don't have any chunks left, we're gonna go ahead and add it to our container. And I'm gonna use a funnel just so we don't make a mess, but if you don't wanna use one, you don't have to. Alrighty. Boop, boop. Just put our lid back on. Okay, so now I'm just gonna fill out a label for the bottle so I know what it is whenever I go to use it. Cool. Okay, it's as easy as that. Our room spray is done. So now when Netflix asks, do you want to continue watching? You say, yes, of course, on my freshly cleaned couch. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.